More properties have come to the market over the past week, giving the shore buyers more to view. It's Friday, April 29th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Shore Report. Properties are going under contract on the shore fairly fast-paced, with the recent sales logging in at an average of 8 days. All Eastern Shore counties combined, there are 936 properties for sale at 45 median days on the market thus far. 151 properties came to the market since last week's report. 114 properties went under contract in 9 median days. 137 properties went to pending in 7 median days. 156 properties settled at 100% list to sale ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Talbot County's Easton at $4,630,000. Rentals went up to 44 properties at a $1,900 median lease price per month, and a new rental community in Trapp, Maryland called Lakeside at Trapp will be offering 1 to 5 year leases on brand new detached homes in a resort-style community starting this fall 2022. These units will help ease the shortage in the brand new build-out in a relatively rural area. It is being touted as a self-contained community so that residents won't need to drive outside the community for shopping and other amenities. However, the price points are in the upward pricing bracket, so it may not be a real good fit for most households on the shore seeking affordable rentals. That's the Maryland Shore Report, Friday, April 29th, 2022. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next week, be well.